Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hagerly Channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to talk about our likes and dislikes. This will help you a lot to talk about yourself and express yourself more easily. So without further ado, let's go. Last time we saw how to talk about our likes and dislikes. Now we're going to see how to ask someone about their likes and dislikes. Do you like for male?
ትወዳለህ?
Do you like for female?
ትወጃለሽ?
Does he like?
ይወዳል?
Does she like?
ትወዳለች?
Do they like?
ይወዳሉ?
Don't you like for male?
አትወድም?
Don't you like for female?
አትወጂም?
Doesn't he like?
አይወድም?
Doesn't she like?
አትወድም?
Don't they like?
አይወዱም?
Now we're going to be looking at the past verb for dislike. You can use this to ask someone if they dislike something. Let's look at different formats of it. Didn't you like for male?
አልወደድከውም?
Didn't you like for female?
አልወደድሽውም?
Didn't he like?
አልወደደውም?
Didn't she like?
አልወደደችውም?
Didn't they like?
አልወደዱትም?
ሰላም አይዛክ፣
ሰላም ኤልዳና።
ምን እየሰራህ ነው?
መጽሐፍ እያነበብኩ። ማንበብ ትወጃለሽ?
አይ ማንበብ አልወድም።
ኦ፣ መሳልስ ትወጃለሽ?
አዎ መሳል በጣም እወዳለሁ። To express your likes and dislikes in Amharic, moded is not the only verb. You can use some very casual and informal verbs, like the verb ይመቸኛል, which basically means it suits me or I'm comfortable with it. The other verb you could use is ደስ ይለኛል, which you could use to express your enjoyment or happiness about some certain activity. Do you like for male?
ትወዳለህ?
Does she like?
ትወዳለች?
Don't you like? For female.
አትወጂም?
Doesn't he like?
አይወድም?
You're doing an amazing job. Don't forget that language is all about practice. Try to practice these phrases with your friends or family. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, goodbye.